Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Google Play Store. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Google Play Store on Android devices. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. Since Google Play Store is the default application, it is already downloaded on your Android device, but it may be disabled. So, to enable and use Google Play Store, you must open your device settings. On your settings page, scroll down and tap Apps. Here, search for Google Play Store and tap on it. You can see that the Play Store is disabled, so tap Enable at the bottom left and tap Open at the bottom left. And that's how you download Google Play Store on Android devices. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.